Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Today I wanted to film the IPSY More is More September Glam Bag. If you want to see what's inside, please keep watching. So the September Glam Bag theme is More is More. Plush pigments, decadent formulas, skin that glows like it's gilded. This month, dial up the glam for moments that feel like beauty luxury. I love that. So let's see what's inside. Has this blue and pink little zippy bag with this really cute little charm. And first thing we have the Hey Honey Elements Wrinkle Smooth Peptide Serum, a little travel mini. And if you've been watching my channel, you know I love these travel minis because what's better than getting your skincare while you're on the road? Then is the Blink Eye Repair Peptide Complex. So that's two peptide complexes. Okay, so two little skincare minis. Then we have the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial Sleep Cream. I love this brand, so I know this is gonna be a good one. Can't wait to try it. Then we have the Juliet Has a Gun Miami Shake. I guess this is a little perfume sample. So let's see what she smells like. Interesting. It smells like oh my god, it smells like candy. Like sweet tart specifically. That actually smells really good. Oh my god, that smells so good. It's like sweet, like powdery candy sweet. The Sophia Mabel Too Pretty Blush and Cream Combo. And this is in Strawberry Sorbet. This looks like a really beautiful color for fall. I don't know if it's like picking up because of the reflection. It's almost like a mauve. That's the cream, and then that's the blush powder. Cute. And that is what's in my September IPSY Glam Bag. Thank you for watching.